This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to track your Capital One card delivery status. Whether you're eagerly awaiting your new credit card or simply want to keep tabs on its progress, tracking your card delivery is a straightforward process that you can do in just a few steps. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to sign in to the Capital One mobile app. If you prefer using a computer, you can log in through online banking instead. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you don't have the app installed yet, you can easily download it from your device's app store. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Next, navigate to your new credit card account. This will typically be listed on the dashboard among your other accounts. If you have multiple cards with Capital One, ensure you select the correct one you're tracking. Once you've accessed your card account, you'll want to locate the More menu or the Account Settings section. Depending on the version of the app or website, these options might have slightly different names, but they're usually easy to find. This menu holds several options related to your account settings and preferences. Within this menu, keep an eye out for an option that says Track Card Delivery. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. This will open a new screen displaying the current delivery status of your card. Here, you'll also see an estimated arrival time, which can help you plan accordingly. Typically, Capital One cards arrive by mail within 7 to 10 business days. However, if it's been about 12 days and your card still hasn't arrived, it's a good idea to contact Capital One customer support for assistance. They can provide you with more information and help resolve any issues that might have delayed your delivery. And there you have it. That's how you track your Capital One card delivery status. By keeping these simple steps in mind, you can easily monitor your card's journey and ensure it arrives safely. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, reaching out to Capital One's support team is always a reliable option.